would like to call Mr. Chelladurai on stage and share his thoughts with all of us.
Good afternoon, everyone. First of all, thank you, Keshav sir, Tizo sir, for giving the opportunity to be part of Varma and Varma. I still remember the day 2015 when I was like after 3 years of becoming CA, I was into industry. Like that time, I made a mind like I want to shift to practice, and that time like when I was like searching, so I had a doubt like whether after 3 years like in industry, whether will I get a chance, opportunity to work with CA firm, that was good, big CA firm of us like this. And then at that time interview taken by both of sir, like, and then I got a call like I've been selected. So it was a very happy moment that time, and being there, a lot of challenges as well as lot of opportunities, big clients got to do with work. And during the tenure where I was, a lot of ups and downs were there. So during the downtime, Fizo sir personally, like, he's like a lot of support, lot of guidance, and for he being there like a supportive role. And we have, as he said earlier also, like we have a good thing as a, I see him as a like sir also, and also like he's like my friend and also my brother. So we have that thing, and now also like as a 2019 I have left, but still I am associated. I am a road practice, but still associated. Happy to be, and thanks for that, and thank you sir.
Now I would like to call the Choco Boy of the office, Mr. Amol Patel, on stage. He'll share a few thoughts with all of us.
Good afternoon, everyone. So it has been a beautiful day so far. I mean, when I hear the history with beautiful, strong foundation. What sir was mentioning, honesty. As a chartered accountant, when you become a chartered accountant, first thing you want to know, you don't end up in jail. If you join a firm where it is not ethical, you end up in jail, you earn so much, but if you end up in jail, what is the point? I feel proud. I joined Varma out of nowhere actually. It was somewhere in a small chapter of ICI, it was, one advertisement was there. And I joined. I came to the firm and I gave the interview. So, but before I start my experience, I want to. Hello, yeah. So I want to share my experience. I would like to take one quote of a famous person. It says, "You tell me, I forget. You teach me, I remember. But you involve me, I learn." So let me take a cricketing example to explain this concept and how Varma and Varma believes in this concept. Varma and Varma does not believe in small or simple work. They do not make you play on flat tracks. They don't make you flat track bullies. They take you to the home of cricket, England, Lords, overcast condition, green cracked pitch, ball coming at your face at 150 kmph. What have you got? They ask you. There are two options, right? You duck or you play a pull shot. No one tell you to play a pull shot. No one taught you to play a pull shot. No one told you to duck. No one taught you to duck. What have you got? So what they tell you is you duck. The non-striker at the other end, his manager or partner says, "You duck, don't worry. I take care of run rate. He will take care of the audit. Initially when I joined, they told me you duck, 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 duck. Every over I was ducking. They did not put pressure on me. If in my early innings, if I try to pull, I'll lose my wicket. But they said, don't worry, you duck. Then when I went to non-striker end, I saw partner playing pull shot, drive, this, that. I learned how they are dealing with the situation. I learned how they are doing audit. And my word, now I'm pulling shot. Not only I'm pulling on the front foot, not on back foot. That's how I am doing. So this is what is inculcated in the last 3 years. I've been so confident. I'm speaking in front of you. I was not like this. Never was I was. I was a very shy person. I never used to speak on the dais. Today I'm speaking very confidently. Why? There are 2-3 occasions. I'll take you initial, then subsequently. Initially, when I joined, if I were to tell you that someone is taking 1 day to take a TB, if I was there in boss's case, I will fire him or go home. But this guy, Hiraram, is a contrarian. In market, if everyone is buying HDFC, he is selling. Similarly, if I was there in his place, if I was there, like this boy is taking 1 day just to take TB that do not correctly, I would have not worked with that person. But no, he spent his energy, he spent his time, he had faith, and he developed what I am today. I feel so happy that I started my career with a person who believes in a person, and he, like a plant, he made me a tree. So that confidence that has come to me is immense. I'll give you one more example. In COVID times, there were so many, the con calls used to happen. Con calls with so many big peoples. Partners from our side, Fizu sir was there, Hiraram sir, George sir was there. Fizu sir told me, you speak. In front of so many people, he said, you speak. This gesture itself is such humongous that gave me confidence. It doesn't matter how I speak. I made so many blunders. He was there silently, this is wrong, you cannot do this. He did not shout at me. But those lessons, not only he gave me confidence, he corrected me correctly. And I always took it in the right manner because he approached me correctly. He did not shout at me. Never, I don't remember not even once did he shout at me in 3 years. Never did even Hiraram shout at me. I hope it does not come in future also. But such beautiful things, when someone has faith in you, you blossom basically. Yeah.
You don't have to say he didn't shout at you. We all know you would have shouted at you.
He never shouted at me, sir. Never ever shouted at me. He never shouted at me. I don't even remember shouting at Hira. Very once or twice I remember. Once or twice I remember. Once or twice. So, yeah. So, one more thing maybe 1.5 years back, this is the best decision that happened to me. Nothing to do with just living, no good thing about this. It's just that I was going to leave this firm. You know why? There were less GST opportunities in this firm. He said, okay, you want to leave, you can leave, but the GST is not the end of the world. Trust me, my word, if I used that option, I would have been sitting on the road because GST is not there now. That correct moment he used this guidance as a big brother that you don't do. Even if you leave my firm, does not mean that you just join a firm which has GST. No. He taught me one thing which gave one philosophy to my life. It says, it doesn't matter howsoever knowledgeable you are, if the boss cannot trust you. If your boss cannot trust you, your knowledge is in vain. It means you should know everything and you should know how things to be done. And that principle I've kept till now, that I will learn everything and I will expertise in one thing, but I should know everything. So no one should make fool of me. So these were 2 occasions because of which in last 3 years has gave so much confidence to me that I feel so confident today. That I feel like I can do anything in my life. Correct. Everything, nothing is impossible. And lastly about the firm, recently we were doing DRHP of Fed Bank, and you know how wives and family are, they were doing lace setting, all this nonsense. That day, next day morning I got up at 8 AM and I showed, this is the news in the paper, it says DRHP filed Fed Bank. I said I did this. She was happy, I was happy that this is the job satisfaction I want. This money, everything will come, bonus will come. but the satisfaction was much more. But I will not say no to bonus. That is okay. Bonus will come, but job satisfaction is what it brings. So much satisfaction, right? And over the years, in last 3 years, there is polishing different type of angles. I talk to Srinivas sir. When I call him, I say yes sir 50 times in 2 minutes. So much he has to say. I don't know what I have done. I say 3 lines, he say 50 lines. Just imagine how fast he is grasping things. And he will say, I don't know whether I did that job or he did that job. I don't know. That shows the immense quality that person has. When I talk to George sir, I mean the way he speaks, even when you must have seen, he was so calmly speaking, slowly speaking, correctly speaking. It was so beautiful. That's the personality I want to have. So I never got a chance to interact with Keshav sir, but we always discuss in office. It says, Chirian sir matlab Srinivas sir and George sir matlab Keshav sir. So we always say this thing. Unfortunately, I could not have much chance to interact with them, but this is how it is. Then when I go to Kochi, it's a different world of indirect taxation. It literally literally amazing thing. When I went, it's like beautiful. So in Mumbai, we have everything. From taxation to audit to late sitting, everything is there. But I love this. I simply love this. So now, lastly, but since Physio sir is now going, I mean, not going, I mean, is moving to Bangalore for greater opportunity. I'd like to sing a song like this thing. Maybe a little bit comedic, little bit in a funny way. That it says, तुम इन सबको छोड़ के कैसे कल सुबह जाओगे मेरे साथ इन्हें भी तो तुम याद बहुत आओगे बड़े अच्छे लगते हैं इंटर ऑडिट जीएसटी ऑडिट स्टैट्यूटरी ऑडिट और तुम thank you so much for this. It's a beautiful day so far, I think. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Amol, for this wonderful song. And I realized one thing, I was doing the anchoring since morning, but he took the entire limelight.
You're going to sing?
No, sir.
You sing in any
No. Now I would like to call someone among the articles or the junior person who are sitting in between us. So I would like to call Akhil over the stage and share his thoughts with us. Also among the juniors, Anjita will come and share her thoughts with all of us.
And rightly, as it was mentioned in the opening speech, sir, you are our Thampuran, and actually, your one decision that has changed all our lives and has made us a part of such a legacy firm. And sharing my experience here, the one thing I really love about the seniors here is their high emotional quotient. Like, you can approach them, you can be friends with them. They are there with your personal life problems, and they're with solving everything. Like, if you give struggling with your studies, everything. Like, I'll give you a small example on a lighter note, okay? So Amol sir had once shared that his first day he had asked Hira sir कि क्या रोज 8 बजे होता है क्या छूटने को, मतलब इतना लेट सीटिंग होता है क्या? And Hira sir had just smiled, but he took care. When I joined my first day, he ensured that I leave at 5 p.m. So he took care of that part, and but yeah, I mean, it has been very wonderful here. I mean, that care that you receive from the seniors, and just as Keshav sir had mentioned, the proud feeling that you get, the value of the firm. Keshav sir had mentioned about the values of our firm, like how we never compromise on that. And actually, that is actually one of the very satisfying feeling that I've found, that after completion of an audit, you feel that कि मतलब just as you call मतलब झुकेगा नहीं. I mean, it's very कम व्हाट में, मतलब सर जाए में झुकेगा नहीं, बट अपना दिस इज द बेस्ट, दैट एक सेटिस्फैक्शन मिलता है अपने को. एंड seeing about my seniors, I really don't know like the kind of trust sir, Fizo sir and all the seniors have on me, and I hope that I don't disappoint you when I give up to it. Thank you for giving me an opportunity, and thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Akhil. Now I would request Dharmin Shah to come on stage and share few lines with all of us. We have a few fun activities planned. After 10 minutes, we can start those things.
Good afternoon, sir. Hello, friends. So I would just like to share my views, since I'm almost at a par age with the Fizo sir. But what Sir Keshav sir said, the bonding which the firm is having and the person, they believe it as a family. I would just share one of the experience. During COVID, I had to leave one of the jobs. At that time, I approached Verma, but somehow we could not click. Then after 6 months, Fizo sir called me, and he said, we have an opportunity, and suddenly it clicked. It somewhere in the balance it clicked. And I still remember the day of the IDPI in September. We had a very big bank audit. Everybody is busy. Everyone is busy. But sir, you won't believe it. At the partner level, I was doing Bilapur. Once I had come there, even in the midst of so much pressure, we are doing first time audit, so much team involved. The sir, when I entered the cabin, he entered and said, "Hello, Dharmin. Hi. What is?" You can imagine, sir. Instead of tremendous pressure going on, so much articles reputed, everyone knew is there. The bank is slow. But the personal relation which he get, that happens, and that makes a bonding stronger. And so you won't believe it, because of this, what developments you get is that way. Unfortunately, later I got one of the opportunity, but I had a good word with sir. And the way the trust which is happening, the firm and the partners and everyone, what Amol rightly said, you just duck. They are always there at your support. You just be a night watchman. You just stand your crease and they'll support it all. The trust which is they are giving is excellent. And sir, I am telling you, the opportunities these people are getting at the young age is tremendous. When they come out, they'll come to know what is Verma and Verma. Thank you everyone.
Now I would request anyone among the ex-employees who is interested in sharing their thoughts to all of us can come here and share their thoughts. Anyone?
Hi everyone, my name is Shyam Janak. I was lucky to be associated with the Verma & Verma, and only one thing I think I would like to mention is that the level of experience and exposure that this firm has given me and to every one of the member of the firm is ultimate. I mean, we have seen many other chartered accountant firms. We have friends who are working in other firms. The audit is being done everywhere, but the level of audit and the level of detailing that we go through and the level of teaching that we have got from Fizo sir is, I think, not matchable with anyone. So we are thankful to you, sir, for giving us this learning opportunity. Thank you so much.
Himani, please come on stage. Everyone, I'll give like everyone should come and speak now. Himani, Ullas, Manoj, Shubham, everyone.
Hello everyone, my name is Himani Soneji. So my journey with Verma & Verma started in September 2014. So when on the day of my interview, many of the candidates had come, and I was one of them who got selected. And then I have done many outstation audits. So when I was in when I was doing my articleship, we had like audit clients in diverse industries. So I don't know about the current situation. So we had clients in energy, mutual funds, manufacturing, automobile. So the exposure which I have got here is immense, and the learning here and the seniors, the colleagues and friends, so they supported us. So so when we were doing our articleships, no doubt that we do mistakes, and we had also done many of the blunders, and Fizo sir was there to support us. He guided us. The articleship experience here is the backbone, or you can say the base, because of which I feel that I am successful right now, and the work which I am doing is because the great exposure which I got here. So thank you so much, sir, for giving me this opportunity, and congratulations for making this my Verma Mumbai branch so successful. Congratulations, madam.
Hello everyone, myself Manoj here. First of all, let me congratulate for completing the 10-year successful year to Verma on the senior and all the partners over here. Secondly, when I joined Verma in December 18 in a Fino Payment Bank as a concurrent auditor. So at that time there was like a backlog, a situation of more than 6 months. So Fizo sir has given that trust to me. Okay, no, it's not an issue. You have joined the firm, but you can complete this audit. We are there to support you. I remember I used to struggle. I used to read all the RBI circular and all because concurrent audit nobody teaches directly. We have to learn it and we have to develop it, and then we have to do the correct way. Fijo sir, Hiram and Ashok has to send all the updates in the mobile, the group we have created. So that means they are not directly being involved, but they always used to give me all the updates. Saying, oh, this is the point, you can have a look at it, and like that we have pointed many good points to the client. So that's I'm always learning and enriching our skills. So thanks Fijo sir for giving me the opportunity. I remember I used to handle 4 to 5 people at a time at that time. So like that was also the task. How we are going to handle the people when we have never interacted with so many people. Being as a senior, so now with all this teaching and learning now as a part of PwC, I'm handling more than 20 or 25 people at a time. So that's all because of that trust he has given and the confidence he has built to me. Thank you.
I would call Ullas on stage.
Thank you everyone. Thank you sir, Kesodas sir and Fijo sir. There are lots of things to remember and to say, but I will say only the crux part. Okay. About Fijo sir, let's start with the Fijo sir. About the Fijo sir, I will mention you will learn something from from your own thought, or from you will see the people. I mentioned in the lunch time also. So I will say the one example. So when work has started, we used to see the Fijo sir. When he's on his laptop, he will super fast on laptop, keyboard and the Excel formulas, right? So we used to see Hiram, Avnish and me, first batch. Sir, kitna fast type karte yaar. We couldn't understand actually that time. Then we decided ki let's develop in our also. Okay. So Hiram, used to learn something on Google, and next day used to tell, "Kya ye dekho naya macro formula." Then Avnish, then me, then we used to try and discuss it among each other. After 6 months or 7 months, we realized when we were giving our review in the Gold Offshore to Fijo sir, we were typing on the laptop. Fuser was reviewing and बोलते अरे थोड़ा slow कर. So that's that learning and quality you will learn from by seeing someone. So he is there and he has one more exceptional quality. He is a exceptional critical solving problem. You will find let it be a new assignments or a new challenges. Just go to him or he will apply his mind. He will create some shortcut. Like he was mentioning about the GDL, I was doing a receipt versus computer, some printout matching. Okay, so there he used to do. He has spent 2 days in that activity, and in 2 hours he just had completed that activity on the Excel only. So he came and during the all return journey he said, आज मैं अमेज हो गया, आज मैं बहुत हैप्पी हूँ, सर ने क्या कमाल किया है, 2 घंटे में मेरे को समझा दिया पूरा. He has completed my 2 days task. So from that learning perspective, you will basically we used to get skills. He has the skills, sir. And I will tell about the result. After 3 years, when I joined, I completed my CA. I came to KPMG. Okay, and during these 3 years, I used to give. I would be involved in. I used to take new challenges. New basically audits, all new types of audits. When I joined a KPMG, based on the number of year experience, I was taken as an executive. That is the first level entry point in KPMG. So I said कि ठीक है KPMG तो executive level पे भी कुछ होगा. They started they get the AM, that is AM there means 3 years post qualification. They gave me the bank confirmation job. मैं बोला यार, I was doing I used to handle 3-4 clients here, and now bank confirmation roll out करने के लिए बोल दिया. Anyway, I did that also. कि I thought okay, I will learn how bank confirmation are rolled out here. After 1 year, I was playing a role of AM. After 1 year of a job in KPMG, I was playing the role of AM. I was rated. I'm not praising myself, but the quality you will build here after 3 years of articleship journey. Okay, if you give your total time dedication to this job, what you will find. I was given an AM job. The AM resigned, and the manager has not insisted for any AM because he find me, he will do. So I was playing AM job. So then you will realize ki, okay, what capability you have built. Okay, KPMG takes as AM post 3 qualification, if you have a 3 years qualification experience. So that was one part. Rated 2, that was highest rating. Then I was nominated for 1 also, which is basically all over India. They will not give to anyone unless very exceptional. But nominated, however, not given because that for that you need a all India level approval. So anyway, that is not given. But I was discussing with the partner. Please put my weakness. Why I should not be given one. That's it. So they said कि देखो बेटा.
No internal matter.
So that was the inside part. Then I moved to so manager used to ask कि तुमने articleship कहाँ से किया और इसके पहले कहाँ पे थे. So I used to mention कि Varman Normal से. Why they were asking कि if I am doing something, I am delivering something there. This is because of my past experience, and past experience is presently giving the output. Perfect. So the firm name also they used to get अच्छा Varman Normal से किया है. Okay, fine. So this type of capability will build from here. I will mention one example of Hiraram and Maya and Hiraram. After the first assignment was BPL, so we both went. When I asked him, have you ever gone to any offices? तो नहीं, मैं तो पहली बार बाहर निकला. क्या बोला? मैंने डैड के साथ एक दो बार गया बाहर. I went to my dad twice in bank. मैं बोला ठीक है, you follow me, I will deal. ठीक है. So we went and वैसे तो dealing किया. Then next assignment sir sent sir said to in Punjab directly, Ludhiana. So my family member started worrying. You are joined just now and you are going alone to Ludhiana. Then they asked to go to the company. I said Hiraram. So they okay. Tell me about him. He is traveling first time out of his hometown. So then they were worrying, but nothing to worry, we will handle. And sir said, you go there, हम लोग call पे बात करेंगे, we will talk on call, we will get this done. I said okay. We went there. What we did there, just we presented as we are knowing everything, and they were fearing कि अच्छा ये auditor आ गए. If you remember, they were actually fearing कि अरे auditor आ गए. Whenever we ask for something, वो लोग थोड़ा डर जाते थे. अच्छा ये मांग लिया. Inside हमको पता था कि we are not, we don't know anything actually about the company and all that time.
नहीं हम उनसे डर रहे थे, हमसे डर
That's the whole part of the journey. If you for articles, my sincere advice, our main purpose is to learn and get benefited for education, for the CA qualification and the future. So dedicate your time here. You will find a lot of experience in EY or in KPMG. I'll tell my background. I served 2 years in KPMG and 3 years as 3 years in EY, and just as a change from EY as I was manager there, and I moved to now industry. So whatever you do, you will get benefited from here. I find my article, Big Four articles, they are smart enough. Everything is there, but the kind of work you will get, work experience you will get here, you will not get probably in the Big Four, or hardly 10% of the articles get that kind of exposure. Another part about Keshav Das sir, I will tell. The meaning surgeon, he is like straightforward. He will tell yes, no, right? I know when I was not clearing my first attempt, so I was having some personal problem also. So he said, don't let put your personal thing into your exam. This was a simple straight word, but if you dig down it has many meaning. Any means any, not a personal, not if you have any family related, financial related, everything. You don't put anything. And whenever I was studying on, in the mind you will the thought will come again and again. So I was reminding his thought only कि nothing has to come in my mind when I am studying. Okay, so that's the learning also you can get from him. About the experience that I will tell. After whenever he will visit in the audit assignment, he will take some movement, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, to explain you about your articleship role or your education, right? He will teach you something about. And about George sir, is very kind. I will tell, he is very kind and friendly. Even I found in Air India audit when I was doing a client's laptop, client's computer, some work. He was doing beside me, and he was doing. So I was wondering, मैं भी कर रहा हूँ, and sir is also doing. So that kind of relationship or a friendly type he is. About Srinivas sir, I will tell, is like a AK-47 bullet. His words are AK-47 bullets. So he's also, I will tell, very friendly. Whenever new task will come or challenging task will come, he will sit with you. He will explain you again and again. I personally felt that because there was one assignment not getting completed, one activity, he supported me thrice. ये ऐसे नहीं वापस ऐसे करो, फिर भी नहीं हुआ तो वापस ऐसे करो. Minority interest. Even client couldn't. Client couldn't.
I mean, I'll explain further on that what he said. Majesco, we had one minority interest calculation. So what was happening is, he came after exams, And we said, okay, he thought, okay, everything is done, so nothing much work will be there. So he was given MI.
Everyone said it's a book that was just final, just signing baki.
And then what happened is, I think 3 days or 4 days he was doing different ways of calculating MI. I think he became expert in MI after that. Sir, he was doing this way. Sir was saying, no, you try like this. Then I think he calculated the other way. Every time he was getting a new figure. He said, here MI is not. And I still remember, I think we were leaving and he was sitting and breaking his head. That's what I was saying.
So that's a good part. Then obviously to my colleagues, Ashok, Cheladurai, and my obviously the juniors who supported us on the assignment. I mean, I personally think they are more talented than us actually. I know Shubham is a rank holder. Himani is in the the forensic part now. So Jitesh is in Deloitte, and everyone, Kuntal Vidhi. So all are good people. I must say they joined. They joined us, but it was a family, small family, then bigger family. Okay, then later he came. Then our friend from Mira Road. So it was a very good timing. Thank you.
शुभम, I think शुभम बात करना चाहिए ना?
Don't worry, I will not take much time. So I am Shubham. A brief about myself that I joined Verma in November 2014 and I was with them till April 2018. So I'll just share my background when I came to Mumbai. So I came to Mumbai in October itself, the first time I came alone, because I was in Delhi before. I did my IPCC in Delhi. So I was like, no, I don't want to stay in Delhi. I want to come to Mumbai because it's the financial capital and I will get more learning opportunities over here. So people are asking, okay, so I had good marks in IPCC. So are you going for Big Four? I said, no, I'm not going for Big Four. So why? I want to learn all the work. I want to join a firm which is small enough but mediocre enough to have big clients to give me the exposure. And Verma was I would say the best fit for that. And I was actually fortunate enough to get it. It was not like I did very much hunting that, okay, which kind of firm it is and is Verma actually suitable. I will tell my story. You just saw Jamika's video. She was the one who introduced me to Verma. She had already joined a month back. So I heard the name, okay, I googled it, the address, I came, it was a 2 BHK apartment. I came inside, Pizza sir was, and he was actually in quarters. So I thought, so because no one used to visit the office at that time, everyone was at client place, he was only in the office. So I came inside and I came for an interview. So I didn't actually thought that, okay, he's the one who is going to take my interview. I was waiting for someone. Then I saw the office and I was like, no, I'm not going to join here. Then Pizza sir actually started hunting for some papers. The interview form, Madhusudan was not there. So I said, if it is not there, I can come later. Not an issue. He said, no, you sit. Then actually he found that paper, he gave it a printout of that, filled it, and then he took my interview. I was okay, he's the one who is going to take my interview. And that interview actually made me, I fit in mind that this is the firm I actually wanted to join, because the way he described the firm was actually what I wanted. And the best thing was about the transparency. When you are coming into Mumbai and you are looking for a firm, you are all alone. So what do you want to know? That, okay, how many clients and what kind of clients I am going to work on, what kind of exposure I am going to get, and what the stipend. No one tells about the stipend. If you are not, even no one asks and no one tells about the stipend. It's like, jo milega, milega. But he himself in the interview told me about the stipend. So it was all about the transparency. So I liked it. So I said, no, I will join this firm. And okay, on the Monday I came to the firm, and the first day it was there, I could not get down at Andheri. I went to Parla, so it was a big day. Then I came back and I saw that the office is closed. No one has reached. It was 10:30 in the morning. I was late by half an hour. and no one has reached, and then Karan came, and so it was a wandering start, and then it was all beautiful, because the best thing about this thing was that for 2.5 years when I was with Verma, I never wondered that what would be my CA finals result or how would I study. It was all about the 2 years I gave committed, I remained committed, and I gained a lot. So it's not just about the learning or the exposure, it's about the personality you develop out of it. Because of the confidence, the way Ullas said that they didn't know about anything, but they were presenting themselves as they know everything. So that's the best part. You get to know that thing, and that skill is the most important skill. Out there are many confident people out there. They don't know everything, but they present as if they know everything, and they are the masters of their own world. So you have to pretend like that only. So after Verma, I got rank. So I studied for 6 months and I got rank, fortunate enough. It's not like that it was only the study. The 2 years that you dedicate yourself, it gives you two things. One thing that, okay, you have worked on it so you can apply it in exams. That's the one part and the simple part that everyone knows. But the second element of this is the confidence that I was talking about, or the hard work you have put in already. You have put in 12 hours of work in office. You can put 12 hours of work for your studies also. Because you are habitual of putting those hours. You are not addicted to your mobile phones. I didn't have an active social media account at that time. So I was not addicted anyway. I was only with the books. So you get that kind of actually the exposure. So it was all in all an investment of 2.5 years, 3 years that made you that much confident. And then I moved to Reliance Industries. I got a good name over there. Then I'm in a currently US MNC industry. So I'm getting a good name over there. And I've got 2 promotions already. So I attribute all these to those 2.5 years of experience and the exposure and the opportunities that I've got in Verma and Verma. So thank you, sir, for that. Thank you.
I think, so anyone, now I think Rajesh will speak. Before that, I think if someone wants to share thoughts, we have color papers kept on your table. Whoever wants to share their feelings or something, who are not coming forward, can write. We'll make a book of it, and I will surely read it and I will surely reply to you. So you have all color papers on your table with pens. You can share your feelings and thoughts. Okay? Thank you.
मुझे फर्म के लिए और खास 2 लोगों के लिए मुझे बात करना है. तो उस दिन मेरा बात पूरा हुआ नहीं. अमल आपको तो पता है. तो शायद मुझे अभी मौका मिला है, तो इसलिए मुझे कुछ बोलना है. तो फर्स्ट मैं बोलूँगा फर्म के लिए. इसके पहले मैं जो काम करता था उधर से मेरा जॉब छूट गया. तो उसके बाद इधर मैं इंटरव्यू के लिए मुझे अशोक सर का कॉल है. तो अशोक सर का कॉल आने के बाद मैं सोचा अभी ये नए फर्म में कैसे काम करूँगा, और फिर सर ने इंटरव्यू लिया था. तो मेरा सिलेक्शन हो गया, मैं जॉब पे लग गया. आने के बाद मैं सोचा बहुत सारे स्टाफ है, टेबल्स है, तो मैं कैसा मैनेज करूँगा. लेकिन 1-2 दिन कुछ 1-2 स्टाफ है तो कुछ पहचान नहीं हुआ. जैसे अगर नया जॉब ज्वाइन करते तो इंट्रोडक्शन होता है ना, तो वैसा कुछ नहीं था. तो उसके बाद 2-3 दिन के बाद वो भी ऑडिट के लिए चले गए. और CA फर्म में मेरा फर्स्ट जॉब है, यानी वो वेयर हाउस में मैंने किया है. तो मुझे CA फर्म का कुछ भी नॉलेज नहीं, और चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट क्या होता है उसका भी नॉलेज नहीं था. तो मैं सोचा ये स्टाफ आते हैं क्या नहीं पता नहीं, और जाते तो किधर जाते हैं. फिर दूसरी बात है, जब सर का कॉल आता है ये काम करना है, तो बोला ठीक है अभी मुझे तो एक्सपीरियंस नहीं, काम करना है, लेकिन गाइडेंस कौन देगा मुझे. गाइडेंस देने के लिए कोई नहीं, ऑफिस पूरा खाली, और मैं अकेला ही काम कर रहा हूँ. तो मैं सोचा ठीक है अभी सर को तो कॉल नहीं कर सकता है, और जो स्टाफ आते हैं उनको एक बार कॉल कर सकता हूँ, बार बार तो नहीं. तो भी ठीक है, हो गया मैनेज. 1 महीना कुछ काम नहीं था. तो उसके बाद धीरे धीरे काम चालू हो गया. अभी इतना काम है कि मैं सोचा कि आज एक काम करके थोड़ा सा कल रिलैक्स हो जाए. दूसरे दिन नया काम आ जाता है, और जो पुराना काम है वो ऐसे ही रह जाता है. तो अभी इतना काम है कि मैं सोचा कि काम कैसे कम हो जाए. तो पहले मैं सोचता था कि काम नहीं करते, लेकिन अभी बहुत काम है. और दूसरी बात है, मुंबई में मैंने ज़्यादा काम नहीं है, यानी ट्रैवलिंग भी मुझे पता नहीं. इधर आने के बाद मुझे पता चला कि ट्रेन का ट्रैवलिंग क्या होता है, भीड़ क्या होती है. तो मुझे इधर आने के बाद पता चला। और जैसे चर्च गेट नॉर्मल पॉइंट मैंने सिर्फ सुना था, मुझे इस साइड मेरा जाना ही नहीं था, तो 1-2 साल में शायद एक आध बार। तो इधर लगने के बाद मुझे पता चला कि कैसा कैसा एरिया है। मुंबई में बहुत मैं घुमा, इसके बाद नवी मुंबई, तो इधर आने के बाद वर्मा के बारे इसके वजह से मुझे बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिला। ऐसा नहीं है सिर्फ ट्रैवलिंग के साथ साथ ऑफिस का काम कैसे करना है और कैसा सिस्टमेटिक करना है वो बात है, और कैसे सिस्टमेटिक रहना है, किसी से कैसे बात करना है, तो ये सारी चीज़ें मैं सीखा। और दूसरी बात है कुछ ऐसे मेमोरीज है जो मुझे इनके आगे मुझे बहुत याद आ गई वर्मा की, कि जैसे बेंगलोर में जाना था एक बार हीरा सर के साथ, उनका ट्रेनिंग था, मुझे तो जस्ट ऐसे भेजा था, तो उस टाइम मैं फ्लाइट से गया था, तो फ्लाइट से तो मैं पहली बार गया हूँ, तो एक जर्नी मुझे याद रहेगा लाइफ में, कि मैं ऐसा सोचूंगा कि बच्चों को भी बोलूँगा कि वाह चलो वर्मा की वजह से मैं इस फ्लाइट से गया, तो वो बात है। और दूसरी बात है जैसे कुछ अभी लैपटॉप पीसी ये सब सिस्टम मुझे धीरे धीरे मालूम पड़ा है, इसके पहले मुझे कुछ आइडिया नहीं था। और दूसरी बात है अभी मैं सर के बारे में बोलूँगा, जब भी मुझे प्रॉब्लम आया तो सर ने मुझे बहुत फाइनेंशियली हेल्प किया है। तो उस टाइम अगर मेरे बच्चों का फीस भरना है या कुछ भी, तो सर पर्सनली पैसा देते थे और फैमिली भी मुझे दिया है, और ऐसा नहीं कि तुरंत मांगा है, तो जैसे मुझे मिलेगा वैसा मैं देते गया। लेकिन सर का बहुत बड़ा हाथ है जो मुझे अभी भी मेरे साइड से बहुत हेल्प करते, वो कभी मना नहीं करते, तो वो एक है। और कोरोना के टाइम मैं पिछले साल एडमिट था, तो मुझे पहला सर का ही कॉल आया, सर ने बोला भी कि आपको अगर पैसे का ज़रूरत है या कुछ भी चाहिए तो मुझे फ़ोन करो। सर इधर नहीं थे, लेकिन थोड़ा अच्छा लग रहा था, तो मेरा वाइफ को भी मैंने बताया, तो मेरा वाइफ बोली चलो ठीक है, कोई तो सपोर्ट कर रहा है, कम से कम लंबा से सही, लेकिन कुछ अगर पैसे का ज़रूरत पड़ा, पैसा ही तो इम्पोर्टेंट है, उसके सिवा इलाज नहीं होगा, तो सर ने बहुत हेल्प किया है, वो एक पार्ट है। उसके बाद काम का अगर बोलेगा तो काम में बहुत ऐसा इम्प्रूवमेंट हुआ है, मुझे भी लगता है ऐसा। जैसे मेरे को इंग्लिश का नॉलेज नहीं था, लेकिन थोड़ा थोड़ा अभी मुझे समझने लगा है, अगर कोई बोलता है तो थोड़ा बहुत, यानी थोड़ा मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि मेरे में इम्प्रूवमेंट आ गया है, ऐसा है। और दूसरी बात है मैं अशोक सर के बारे में बोलूँगा कि सभी लोग बोलते हैं अशोक सर तो झगड़ा करती है, और मेरा भी और उनका भी होता है, लेकिन सभी को पता है, लेकिन उनमें भी एक खासियत है कि वो बाद में खुद सॉरी बोलते हैं, कि सीनियर होके भी मतलब मिस्टेक करता भी सॉरी बोलते हैं। इतने स्टाफ में कोई बोलता नहीं है, लेकिन वो बोलते हैं, तो अच्छा लगता है कि अगर सीनियर अपने को सॉरी बोलता है तो अपना भी कुछ एक बनता है कि अपन भी उनसे बात करना चाहिए, ये तो काम में होता रहता है, ऐसा है। और दूसरी बात है ठीक है, अभी मुझे कुछ याद नहीं आ रहा है, लेकिन थैंक यू वेरी मच वर्मा एंड वर्मा, और थैंक यू सर, और मेरा ये जर्नी कंटिन्यू रहे ऐसे मुझे भी लगता है। थैंक यू वेरी मच।
I think just to add to what Rajesh said, I think like Shubhan said, no, I think initially our office used to be closed, so I think I can say that much has got streamlined because of Rajesh coming in, and I think many activities which I had ideas I could implement because Rajesh and the others, all Divya and everyone who has joined, they took efforts. Now I think that one round of applause for them. I think sometimes their effort goes unappreciated, so I just wanted to thank Rajesh for whatever it is.
Thank you so much, sir, and thank you so much, everyone. Before I hand over this mic to Hira Ram ji to conclude this get together, I would request everyone to at least fill the color notepads which sir has given, because we all know that sir is moving to another city and this will be like a memory for him. So I would request everyone to devote at least 5 minutes and fill the forms. I would call Hira Ramji to come on stage and conclude the.
So this 2 days, that says 2 days that program that was like, because that was lively handled by the Ritika. So many thanks to Ritika. So one round of applause to Ritika. So now many thanks to Kesu sir from coming to Bangalore office from very busy schedule. One round of applause for sir. Now, who all ex-student, ex-employees came for today's function? Many thanks to all of them coming and making this function live and very joyful. Special thanks to Cheladurai Rajeshji and Divya Deepa for this entire arrangement of today's function. Thank you.
And after tea, we have some activities planned. I think just some fun activities where all of us can have some physical activity rather than sitting. So I think we'll have a tea break, and after 5 minutes, we'll just join back for it.
I will not be continuing after the tea break. I have to go somewhere. So all the best to all of you. When I come next time, I hope to meet all of you again. I think I was just mentioning that there are two people who have come from outside Mumbai only for this function. I think Justin and Meenakshi have come from outside Mumbai only for this function. I think you should give them a special thanks.
Okay, so we'll break for tea now.
Wait, can you start right now? Everybody ready, right? Nobody's outside standing. Okay, so now can you make a big circle and stand? Big circle. Okay, I know you can't move, but okay, you are having the magical thing like after consuming tea, right? We have lots of energy in us, right? Yes. Okay, so now get set ready. This is like a train of Verma and Verma family, right? Yes. Okay, I should move here and then stand. Okay, now make sure that you're standing in a circle. No mobile phone right now. You're operating for him also and for everybody. Okay, so now this game goes when you come in the office, right? Okay, 90% when you move in the office, right? Inside office, right leg only moves inside, right? Yes, yes, no, yes. 90%. It's in psychology. Okay, so now when I say in, right leg you have to move inside. When I say out, right leg outside will do. Okay. When I say in, what you do? Right leg. Move in. When I say out, you have to stand back as you are standing right now, as a laying man that way. Okay, let's start now. It's a very simple game. There are 3 levels in this. This is the first level, very simple, basic level. Okay, let's start. He's very busy. Okay, let's start now. Okay, this is a magical train or circle, I say. Okay, get set, ready for this. In. Out, out. Okay, this way you can move. This guy also moved. That's okay. Because of him, right? You're moving to second level. Okay, second level because of him. But now this is like reverse will game. When I say in, right, you will do out, and when I say out, you will do in. This is reverse now. Okay, let's see. Anybody gets out, right? You will play with me third level. If I say out, you will do in. If I say in, you will do out. Okay. Let's start now. Okay, if I say out, right, we will do in this way. Right leg, you can move your one step. Right leg, that is your left. Yeah, this way. If I say out, this way. If I say in, you will move this way. Right? It's simple. Anybody gets out, will come over here and play third level with me. And that is called magical circle. Out of that, in or out, we will actually decide who is the winner, who is the loser. Let's start. Out. Out means in. अंदर करना है. हाँ. Right leg, sir. Right leg. हाँ. In. Out. In. So please come over here. You only hired me and got nothing at all. Okay, now, please stand here, sir. Okay, there is no magic inside. हाँ, मतलब ये magic तो कुछ है ही नहीं, but this is a normal, okay, top है जो हम लोग bottle के लिए use करते हैं. I'll keep over here because, हाँ. Okay, now this is called magical circle. तो circle तो है this. Out of big circle, we have one sir who came out होके इसके लिए, but that's fine, okay? Keep your hand this way. And now magic begins, okay? आपका हाथ नीचे है, मेरा हाथ ऊपर है, okay? कौन पहले इसको grab कर सकता है? Please grab this, उठाइए इसको. Very nice. This is your time. Keep that down. Straight रखना please. And this challenge goes to everybody in the Verma and Verma families, okay? हाथ मेरा ऊपर है, आपका हाथ नीचे. When I move my hand, then only you will pick this. कौन आपको क्या लगता है कौन जीतेगा? सर जीतेंगे, मैं जीतेगा, कौन जीतेगा आपको लगता है? 90% he will. Okay, मेरे लिए वो है नहीं because okay, that's fine. Okay, straight as well, straight. This is my hand. When I move my hand, then only you have to pick this. मिला क्या? Okay. हाँ मैंने वही बोला ना, move कर रहे हैं मेरे को. Okay, now you can stand here. This is challenge. Everybody, okay, कौन पहले आ सकता है, पिक कर सकता है. You pick this, you get a prize for that. Very simple. कुछ है ही नहीं, मूवमेंट क्या करना है, उसको उठाना है खाली. Anybody from here? I like your parents, sir. Very nice. Okay. Straight hand, sir. Straight. Don't move your hand. Okay. Don't shake your hand also. Okay. Check this out, sir. When I move my hand. Okay. जबरदस्त है. Anybody else, please? Very simple. This is very simple. So यहाँ पे एकदम straight खड़े रहना. Okay, straight हाथ. He is actually very smart, taking his support from this side. पूरा gravitational force आ जाए इनके पास. Okay, straight hand, straight एकदम straight. Don't shake your hand. Your hand is shaking. Check this. कैसे हो सकता है ना ये? This is magical circle. You had a very wonderful speech, बहुत अच्छा speech लगा था, very motivational. You can do this, मगर straight रखना. No, you have to use this hand because I'm also using right hand, right? Straight, एकदम straight. Check this, sir. बहुत try किया मगर you can come. No, because I'm using right, you have to use right because again I have to use left hand, okay, for that. You can use right ही use करो क्योंकि right में आएगा आपको, नहीं तो left में आएगा भी because you have to actually do this only. You have to use left, you can use left. ये तो बोलेंगे left में कुछ trick है, right में कुछ trick नहीं, okay? Let's try this. Check this out, sir. Anybody else, please? Only 2 attempts. You can come here, anywhere you can stand. After this, you can come, sir. थोड़ा सा He has that Sunny Deol वाला image, straight एकदम sir. Sir, table पे थोड़ा बक्स देना कर. Straight एकदम straight, sir. Let's start. Oh, sir, please come. You was very smart in that. Okay, this magical circle hopes so that you win, sir. Okay, very straight, this way. When I move my hand, then only you have to move. Oh, any ladies over here? Sir, please, gents ने तो बहुत ले लिया. You can also come. Anybody can win this. Let's start, sir. एकदम straight. जैसे मैं move करूँ वैसे ही आपको लेना, नहीं तो move ही नहीं करना है. ये मुझे लगा था ये होगा, राइट? जो रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशन होते हैं राइट, अगर हम ऐसे बोले, अब बहुत सारे इधर यहाँ पे लोगों ने क्रिकेट का एग्जांपल लिया था, मगर ऐसा हो सकता है क्या कि शोएब अख्तर को बोला नहीं सचिन तेंदुलकर बन जाओ तुम, वो ऐसा नहीं हो सकता राइट। तो ये अभी मैं बॉलिंग और बैटिंग कर रहा हूँ। हाँ नहीं, अभी हमने एक्चुअली डिसाइड जो है ना, मैं इसके लिए बता रहा हूँ आप सबके लिए, बिकॉज दिस इज लाइक मैजिकल सर्कल। ये जो आउट हुआ उसमें से आपने चैलेंज ले लिया, दिस इज अगेन ए चैलेंज, नॉट हाँ आपको करना है वैसे तो कर सकते हो, मगर ही विंस। मगर रीजन मैं बताऊंगा, उसके पीछे का रीजन मैं बताऊंगा व्हाई ही विंस, और मैं मतलब लूज हो जाऊंगा ही विंस। द रीजन इज दैट ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स का आप कभी यूज किया आपने? एप्पल गिरता है तो स्नेक गिरता है, ऐसा ऐसा नहीं गिरता है राइट। मैंने वही सेम ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स यूज किया, इसके लिए आप हार रहे हो और मैं जीत रहा हूँ, क्योंकि आप ना क्या कर रहे हो बताए, सीधा जा रहे हो। मैं विंड से प्ले कर लिया मैंने राइट, मैंने विंड से प्ले कर लिया। अगर एप्पल सीधा गिरेगा तो ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स से जोर से ही गिरेगा, मगर मैंने बीच में से निकाल लिया उसको, आपने खाली ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स को दबाने की कोशिश की। दैट इज द रीजन यू आर लूजिंग। मतलब वेरी साइंटिफिक कला, मतलब ये आया तो मुझे ऐसा लगा कि कुछ तो इमेज आ रही है। वेरी नाइस। ओके लेट्स ट्राई नया गेम, बिकॉज़ आई वाज वेटिंग आउट फॉर लेडीज आल्सो टू प्ले, बिकॉज़ ये ग्रेट गेम में ना जब ब्रेन यूज होता है ना, देन यू गेट अप कि हमको मजा आ रहा है। ओके नाउ आई विल मेक चलो वी विल एक्चुअली, लेडीज कितने यहाँ पे? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 लेडीज आउट ऑफ, ओके 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 लेडीज आते हैं, तो 13 लेडीज का एक ग्रुप बनाएंगे। एंड नाउ जेंटलमैन यू कैन मेक 2 ग्रुप्स, ओके 2 ग्रुप्स हो गया, एक लेडीज का एक ग्रुप बना। ओके दिस वुड बी जेंटलमैन वर्सेस लेडीज, ऐसा नहीं है, बट दिस इज लाइक बैलेंसिंग गेम। ये क्या है मैं बताता हूँ। सो नाउ ऑल लेडीज राइट मेक अ फॉर्मेशन, एक छोटा सा फॉर्मेशन करना। मेक श्योर दैट यू आर स्टैंडिंग, एनीबॉडीज हाइट इज लाइक टू टॉल राइट, यू कैन स्टैंड बैक, और उससे छोटी हाइट है, यू कैन कम इन फ्रंट एंड स्टैंड। सेम इज यू हैव वेरी गुड हाइट इन द सेंस शोल्डर वाइज में देख रहा हूं, यहाँ पे आना प्लीज, स्टैंड इन, हाँ स्टैंड बैक वेज 1 2 3 4, यू कम इन फ्रंट, हाँ यू कम इन फ्रंट, you can come in front here, you come closer little, you come here, you come in front and stand, you come here ma'am, you can come here, and she is like height से थोड़ा छोटा है, but that's okay, you can come here and stand in the front row, exactly in the front row, yeah same goes here, height wise जितने हैं please stand back as a taller guys are standing right, 1 2 3 4 या 5 का ग्रुप बना चलोगे 5 में, हाँ 1 2 3 4, make sure that you're standing close, these 4 guys right standing close, उसके आगे एक रो बनाना जो 3 का होगा राइट, हाँ 3 का रो, then that becomes sequel right, हाँ 4 3 2 1 this way, 4 3 2 1, very nice, 4 people standing back, these are pillars, these are 4 3 2 1, this way you can make. If anybody extra, that's okay. We can keep it anyways in the between. 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3. I guess 3 you can stand, and we can make 1 over here. Sir, you come here in front. In front you can. Okay, now you can make. You can stand this way. Very nice. Okay, but now this guy, ये थोड़े से आगे आएंगे. आप आगे आना, आप पीछे रहना. Okay, ये गेम क्या है? Okay, ये जो बैलेंस कैसे करना है आपको? आप चेयर पे बैठते हो, नॉर्मली बैठते हो राइट ना? कंपनी का भी मतलब मैंने देखा है, इधर बहुत सारे लोग आए बोले कि अरे मतलब वर्क शेड्यूल ऐसा रहता है कि लेट नाइट ये वो सब होता है, मगर बैलेंस करना पड़ता है। एक जाएगा तो दूसरा आएगा, फिर बैलेंस होगा राइट ना? यही होता है कंपनी का रूल सारे। ओके नाउ पीछे जो है ना ऐसे आओ हो जाना प्लीज, बेंड डाउन हो जाना। ये पिलर्स है आपके, ये दिस इज लाइक पिलर्स, और जो आगे खड़े ना वो उनके पैर पे बैठेंगे। हाँ बैठे तो सही, हाँ और जो आगे ट्राई करना प्लीज यहाँ पे, और आगे वाले जो है और आगे उनके लैप पे बैठ जाना, जो सेकंड वाला लैप है उनके ऊपर बैठ जाना, आप इनके ऊपर बैठ जाना। हाँ मगर चेयर नहीं ले सकते, चेयर लेना नहीं आपको। और आगे टॉप पे ये रहेंगे। ओके नाउ यू कैन स्टैंड प्लीज, सेम गोज हियर, अगर इनको लाइटर वेट में इनको कैसे मैनेज कर लेना आपके पास, you can keep anybody, let's start, you have only, okay अभी तो मत करना, अभी खाली ट्रायल ले लेना, मगर make sure you are standing in unity, कंधों में हाथ कंधा लेना, मतलब that becomes a unity, आप गिरोगे नहीं, ओके लेट्स स्टार्ट. हाथों में हाथ जब लेते हो ना वैसे कंधे पे ले, शोल्डर टू शोल्डर. लेट्स स्टार्ट. शोल्डर टू शोल्डर. मेक श्योर यू आर स्टैंडिंग इन शोल्डर टू शोल्डर. हाँ, hand should be on your other partner's shoulder. That becomes full. You're standing closer. You can come in here, ना light and lighter. आप पीछे जाइए, उनको आगे लीजिए. अशोक सर को आगे लीजिए. आप इधर आइए. आप इधर आ जाइए. इधर आ जाइए. You stand here. हाँ, हाँ इनके दोनों के लैप पे बैठ जाइए. दोनों के लैप पे.